How to connect ChatGPT to n8n. Step 1. Log into your n8n dashboard. Cloud or self-hosted version may do. Step 2. Create a new workflow and add an HTTP request node. Then after that, step 3. In the node, set the method to post. And then enter your OpenAI's endpoint API like this one. And then after that, step 4, go to platform OpenAI, and then you can view your API keys, copy your API key and add it as a header to the HTTP node like this, authorization bearer and then your API key. Step 5, add your request body, model name, messages, etc. and connect this node to other parts of your workflow so that like email, Slack, or webhook triggers so that it will automatically go there. Step 6, execute your workflow to test your connection, and if it works, save and activate the workflow for your automation. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.